Well, good morning, everybody. Up here on a roof in High Point, North Carolina. I had some couple shingles blow off and stuff, and just checking the roof out and do a quick repair. And yeah, he's got wind damage, but one thing that expedited was shingles not being installed properly. So you got a regular 3-tab shingle, which are supposed to have at least 4 nails per shingle across the main course, and then when the second layer goes on there, above it, you get 3 or 4 nails that are also attached to that first shingle. And just to show you a quick look at what we have here, spin this around, 3-tab shingles around this pipe where the shingles blew off, and then I lift the shingles up above, and what do you see? You got a nail way too close to the keyway. You got a nail that's pulled through there, and what is missing from this shingle? A nail. Nails pulled through right there, and missing nails. So what they did was they ended up just putting 3 nails per shingle, and also nailing too high. So the nail that came through is right there, and it is supposed to be right there. Supposed to be about ½ an inch to an inch inside and below the tar line. Not on the tar line, not above the tar line, but right in that line. And look how high that one was nailed. It's another instance of contractors going the cheap way out and getting what they pay for. So there, I just lifted that shingle up, and what's missing from that side? No nail right here, and a nail in the tar line. And that is probably everywhere on this roof. Yeah, above the tar line, above the tar line, above the tar line, and pulled through. Both pulled through. So this customer, even though the shingle is not in bad shape, still would have many useful years left in it, but he's going to have nothing but blow-offs continuously. And he's already had that pipe repaired. Missing tab right there, missing tab there, and some right there. There you have it. My video is probably flipping back and forth because I didn't keep it straight, but regardless, another instance of improper installation on a 3-tab shingle roof. Have a good day.